Welcome back for another amazing video. Thank you guys for joining me once again. Today we're going to be talking about the higher level of flipping technology. And this one really, if you've done the first two videos, you watched them, you've implemented on them, this video will be a wake-up call. This is going to blow your mind because this is where a lot of the people get their phones for, especially the mom and pop shops and flea markets and other major phone sellers when it comes to just those local shops, not Best Buy, not like these big Walmart companies, but the stores that you go for a discount. You will be shocked how much margin they have on you on selling phones. This is a kept secret. I mean, and a lot of people will hate me for making this video. Like, a lot of people are gonna probably are hating me to make the other videos, and you guys are probably seeing, I'm gonna be in a lot of trouble from some people because this is where a lot of people source their phones from. They've been running their businesses and they've been making a lot of money. And if you have a flea market shop and if you have a mom and pop shop and you don't know where these phones are coming from, this is it. This is how they do it. And this is, I know this because I was in high school and I used to do all this stuff. Not as detailed as this point, not at the higher level. The higher level I started doing later, but the first and the second video that I've shown you guys, I used to do that in high school and first year university. So guys, pay attention. Very important. Every minute counts. Watch till the end, because this could be a way that you can start making money more than what you'd make at your jobs. So, Kat, let's get this thing started. All right. So, in essence, what you're gonna be doing research on for is wholesale or liquidation phones. Usually, most of these come from America. Once they come into Canada, you have to clean out the IMEI, you have to do some factory resets, you have to do some other things, and that's where the real money is getting made. I'm just giving you guys an introduction to this so you guys can get started and you guys can start learning. So, you get to bstock.com. This is one of the live auction websites. So you come to bstock.com. This is one of the live auction websites, and you can pretty much just search up phones, and you'll get hundreds of phones that are being sold in auction in big quantities. So for example, you see 142 Android units, new condition. So that means this is going to be a high value sell. You can go down, you can see other phones that are being sold, Samsung Galaxies. You'll find iPhones on here too. You'll find all these various phones, and once you buy them, you'll see all these various phones. So for example, let me open up one of these. So you can see here, right now there's 142 units. If you want all the information about the units, you have to log in and you have to kind of apply. To get into this website, you need to have an HST GST number when it comes to Canada, which means you need to have a business account. Same thing if you're in America. And I'm pretty sure even international, because they do ship out to China, they do ship out to London, UK. Regardless, they'll ship out to anywhere, but you need to have a business account because they want to charge you that HST or that tax. So obviously it makes their income a lot higher. And then you're working under a business. So get yourself registered if you really want to do this route. And I mean, this route is really where the money is being made. Get yourself a business, and then you can come onto this website and you make an account. You guys can make this, and you'll get in, and you will get all the details, like what's the condition of the phone, well, which phone is it, what's the MSRP value, and then you can do research as to on Kijiji or XYZ how much it'll sell for. And you can put a margin price for yourself, and you'll be shocked at how high the margins are through here. Like, I'm talking about 70%. If you sell it as is when it comes to you, and so sometimes more than, sometimes a little bit less than that. Cat. So this is one of the websites. I'll link this website also in the description below. I know people are gonna hate me because I'm doing this. The second website is really Tech Liquidators. This one's a huge one also. This is located in Canada, and there's a lot of things on here also. So you see this assorted Apple iPhones, and you get all these details on this website. Even for this website, to place a bid or win a bid, you should have all this stuff already registered and ready to go. So I just want to show you guys quickly these two websites, but there's tons of websites out there, especially in America. If you're in America, man, you'll get crates. I'm talking about you can get like boxes of like hundreds of phones. Sometimes phones that have just been like minutely used. And big retail shops that are closing, they just want to get rid of these phones. They'll sell them to you about $50 a piece, which that phone's value is at $400 or $300 a piece in the market. Now, here's the issues that I really want you guys to know. If your country does not have an agreement with the country that you're importing from, so for example, this is in Canada, so I'm fine here. But when it comes to beef stock, if it's coming from America, there's a lot of the auctions are coming from America. Then, if there's not a free trade agreement, that means you're gonna be having to pay taxes. So that means you're gonna have to have an import agent. That's a huge cost. So when I initially try to get products from there here, I would really look into if the products are valuable enough per cost, like per unit cost, for me to pay taxes on. Because you're not gonna be paying taxes on the cost that you got it. You're gonna be paying taxes on the MSRP price, and that's the issue. You're gonna be paying taxes on the retail price. So you got to do all those calculations. You have to be someone who's fast enough and understands those laws, and then you have to get in contact. Usually the websites help you out. Like, you could contact them and be like, hey, I'm looking for an agent that can help me get these products across the border, and so they'll be like, okay, contact this person, contact that person, and you can get in contact with these guys, and they'll be like, okay, our cost to do this will be $100, I don't know, like, whatever amount it is. But this is how you can make money, and the real money is in here. When you have your own registered business, and you are doing mass imports like this, where you're bringing them into your country, fixing them up, unlocking them, and then selling them locally, or also just selling them on eBay. I remember, now this is a story that I'm telling you guys, and this is important. I'm telling you guys a story because this story kind of gives you a bigger input as to what you can be doing with this. I remember when I was doing phone sellings like this, I used to network a lot. I used to meet up with these guys who were doing this at a big scale. I walked into this one guy's house, and he had like this entire pile of something with covering on it. So I asked him, I said, I see a phone. What is all this stuff? He unveiled it, and there's like iPhones. I'm talking about like hundreds of iPhones. And he said, I got these on bulk. I unlock them. I clean them up. I fix them up, and then I export them. Now this was like 8 years, 6 years ago. So I mean, it's been some time, but I'm just telling you, there's people who do this, and this is where the real money is. And that guy had enough money from that he was just working at home. He like, I don't do jobs anymore. This is what I do, and he's happily doing that. Cat, I want to show you guys this website. There's more websites. You can literally Google liquidation, phone liquidations from your country, phone liquidations, electronics liquidations, wholesale phones, used phone liquidations, stuff like this. I'll kind of give you some tags to search up in the description, so you guys can search these things up in your country, and so you can get these phones for cheaper, and you'll be shocked. Like, every country, you can pretty much do this, except I think some third world countries may be a little bit difficult. But UK, America, any European countries, Australia, Canada, I'm pretty sure even in like places like India, you can do this. But Kat, I want to show you guys this. If this was helpful, if you guys learned something from this, share this with your brothers and sisters who can benefit from this. Do try this if you're willing to take the risk and you're willing to go the whole mile. This could really change your life. Do try it and let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, comments, and if you watched the other two videos, and you're enjoying the revenue from them, let me know in the comments, man. I always like seeing messages from people or comments from people saying, this is how much I've done, or this is what I'm doing. It just makes me feel like these videos are bringing real value to people. Cat, let me know if you guys enjoyed it. Share, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Hit the bell notification icon. As always, like the video. Share it with all the aunties and uncles. Share it with all the daddies and grandfathers and grandmothers. And yeah, check me out on my other social media accounts. Other than that, take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum. Do subscribe, like, share, hit that bell icon for notifications. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram for more content. I'll be uploading more stuff in all of these social media websites. Thanks. Take care. Salam. Bye.